Great news for all of you Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts out there. The company just revealed its brand new 2015 C-Class sedan right here in Detroit on the eve of the North American International Auto Show. You know, it's always challenging when you update a successful product, and in this instance, the stakes were literally higher than the International Space Station for designers and engineers in Stuttgart. You see, the C-Class is actually Mercedes' best-selling model, and since today's version of the car first went on sale way back in 2007, they've delivered more than 2.4 million of them. And of course, like just about every new generation of vehicle, this one has gotten larger than its predecessor. Overall length has grown by about 4 inches, the wheelbase 3 inches longer, and the car's body is roughly 1.6 inches wider. Additionally, trunk volume is up. It now clocks in at about 17 cubic feet. Now, the 2015 C-Class is built on a brand new architecture that actually helps it lose up to 200 pounds compared to today's car. Now, engineers achieved that through the use of lightweight aluminum, and it actually comprises about 50% of its structure. Of course, that weight savings also helps improve the car's driving dynamics and significantly helps fuel economy. 2 different models are expected to launch in the United States. There's the base C300 4MATIC version, which features a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that puts out 241 horsepower, along with 271 pound-feet of torque. Now, stepping up from there, you can get the C400 4MATIC. It's got a turbocharged, direct-injected 3-liter V6 engine under its hood, and it puts out 329 ponies, along with a much more exciting 354 pound-feet of torque. Now, predictably, both of those engines are matched to a 7-speed automatic transmission, and there are rumors as well that there may be a plug-in hybrid drivetrain in the pipeline. Now, of course, thanks to that massive weight savings and those efficient new engines, the 2015 C-Class is expected to be about 20% more efficient than today's car, and that is a huge improvement. So this car's body is pretty conservative. There are a lot of familiar Mercedes design cues there, but thankfully this interior in here is a completely different story. You know, the cockpit of today's C-Class is looking a little bit dated, and the materials quality, frankly, isn't that great, but this cabin is absolutely astounding. There's a very nice 3D look to the dashboard. They've got this sweeping center console that runs through here, and these round air vents have an almost scientific feel to them. They click in place when you move them like that. Very premium cabin in this 2015 C-Class. So there are 2 different display screens that are available in this car for the Mercedes command system. The first one spans 7 inches, but the optional one, which is available in the multimedia package, is 8.4 inches. Now, either one that you get, I suspect they're both going to look like afterthoughts, and the arrangement in here totally looks like somebody took an iPad mini and just gaffer taped it to the dashboard. It is not very well integrated into the rest of this very handsome and very well-built cabin. Unfortunately, pricing and availability information has not been made public at this time, but if you are in the market for a new mid-size luxury sedan, you're probably going to want to wait and check out this brand new 2015 C-Class.